Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your notification setting in Mewe. If you want to change the notification setting, you can also do that. So let's start how we can do this. So firstly, what we have to do, we have to open our account, and after opening the account, we need to go to the settings icon. So we have to go to the profile icon, and after clicking on the profile icon, we have to click on the settings icon. So let's click on the settings icon, and after clicking on the settings icon, you will get the notification and alerts here. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, now if you want to enable desktop notification, you can also do that. You have to click on this and you need to allow this, and the desktop notification will be enabled. And after that, as you can see, chat message, desktop notification, if you want to enable these things, you can also do that. These are the currently enabled. If you want to disable them, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this and it will be disabled. I'm going to click on this and it will be enabled. So in this way, you can enable them, disable them. As you can see, private post email notification, timeline email notification, if you want to enable them, you can also do that. So you can, in this way, you can control your each and every notification in your notification setting. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.